everyone! It's me again, Coach Isabel, and welcome to day 4 of my 21-day video challenge. Today, gusto kong pag-usapan ng isang bagay na super important. How to protect your energy habang nagbi-build ka ng business. At syempre, pati na rin sa love life. Alam mo, minsan hindi pera ang dahilan kung bakit napapagod tayo, kundi yung energy drain mula sa mga taong nega, reklamo ng reklamo, o ayaw maniwala sa'yo. Tama ba? Kaya natutunan ko, whether in business or in love, you have to set your boundaries. Hindi selfish yan. It's self-care. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, not those who make you doubt yourself. Next is choose to rest, not quit. Minsan, kailangan mo lang ng pahinga, hindi pagbitiw. And lastly, learn to say no. No to energy drainers, no to toxicity, and no to anything that steals your peace. Kasi sa totoo lang, protecting your energy is protecting your growth. You can pour from an empty cup, di ba? So, whether sa business o sa love life, choose what gives you peace, purpose, and positivity. This is Coach Isabel reminding you, protect your peace like it's your paycheck and your heart. Thank you so much!